So guys, when I'm finding in this video, I will show you how you can find the similar products on Amazon, sorry, on different website. In this, I have the product keyword, and I would like to. I have scraped the data multiple times. This two files I've downloaded same. So basically, this is the real piece of data. I have the product name, and you can see tremendous amount of product, not only associated with the yoga mats, but also other products like gym materials, like body spray, whatever, undergarments, various kind of products. So basically, these are the details scrapped from the Amazon seller stores, the best selling products with the higher number of revenue or the best revenue generated last month. Okay, so you can see this. Now I'm gonna find says high waisted. This is the product, high-waisted jegging skinny jean. Okay, so I want to search this product. First I will search on Alibaba, and to assure that this particular product is found on the website of Alibaba or not. Yes, it's found there. More than 20,000 result. So now we will search the same product through this system in an automated way. So I'm gonna press the search button, start searching, and the Google Chrome is open, and now you can see it starts scraping the data from Alibaba, and yes, the logs are showing to me about the number of the product. I will show you the information later on. The process is a little bit slower. Wait for it. Yes, the data is showing to me. Okay, so the scraping is completed. Go to see and view data, and yes, so this is the product information. Let me first delete this, the two files. I don't need this. I don't want this. So this is the data report of you can see Alibaba products high-waisted jeggings skinny lean data analysis report. This is the report of the data. You can see the variables, how it was there. Usually it was good for the data scientist data, but I hope this is like woman pencil pants, whatever it is, was the most used keywords. It helps you a lot. And price, this thing missing memories, whatever it was, it, and pieces to order. So these are the basically the details about the data set, that how the data set is shown to you. You will see information here in a form of a chart. We don't need any sort of data analysis. There was a tiny dashboard, and now this is the JSON file. It is the JSON file. It show you the JSON file structure. Now you can see the item number and the parent product. The product is this high-waisted skinning jeans, and item name. So this is the and the price means there was a one product is available on Amazon, and the variants of that product is available on Alibaba. So this is the I think the fantastic way to get the data. And also this is the Excel file. So overall, I have developed this system especially for the requirement of the, you can see the price, pieces to order, supplier name, supplier URL, rating, country, supplier country flag, basically is a flag code, and year of supplier, verified, and the source of the website is Alibaba. So I hope guys you really like this. You can move it to the dark mode or the light mode, whatever you want to switch according to your need, your uh, purpose, which mode suits you better. So overall it's good. And thanks for watching this video. Some things need to be fixed, but the software is in a working condition, and I hope guys you really enjoyed this video. So this is the scraper I have developed for my client, and also let me download this. Yes, also this, the files are placed in the data directory. Go and check them if you want to if you don't want to download the data. So this is inside the data folder. You can see the files, the logs here, the system logs. Some glitches are appear, but I will fix it later. So thank you very much for watching the video.